Good morning to all. The next article is transport phenomena. We have discussed in last article mean free path and calculation of mean free path. The next article is transport phenomena. What is meant by transport phenomena? A gas molecule possesses mass, momentum, and energy. Such molecule, when moves from one place to another place, it carries with its mass, momentum, and energy. The gas has mass motion. In spite of the mass motion, the molecule are in random motion. We already discussed in last article. Random motion also, the velocity of gaseous molecule depends upon temperature. Temperature increases, velocity also increases. Such motion is called as thermal motion. Thus, the molecule of a gas has velocity of mass motion as well as velocity of thermal motion. The velocity of mass motion is much smaller than the velocity of thermal motion. Okay. The magnitude of mass motion and thermal motion remains unchanged until the molecules collides with another molecule. They carry mass, momentum, and energy until and unless they were not collide in another molecule. During collision between two molecules, mass, momentum, and energy are all conserved. However, a certain amount of energy or momentum is transferred during the collision. This is elastic collision. Okay, during the collision from one molecule to another, one molecule get lost their energy and another molecule absorb this energy. From one molecule to another, if the gas is in a steady state, suppose gas is in a steady state, they cannot transport or travel. The mass or momentum or energy transported across a unit area is zero due to gas is in steady position. That's why the mass, momentum or energy transported across a unit area is zero due to equal transport in reverse direction, so that the net transport would be zero. But if the gas is not steady, they are moving, not steady means they are moving, any one of the following cases singly or jointly may occur. They are as follows. First one is transport of momentum. What is by transport of momentum? If the component of velocity of mass motion have not same value in all parts of the gas, all parts means all molecules of the gas, then there will be a relative motion. Each molecule have separate motion or different motion. The gas with respect to one another, this gives rise to phenomena of viscosity. This is the viscosity. The viscosity is due to transport of momentum because they collide each other. That's why the transport of momentum. Then second one is transport energy. If the temperature is not same throughout the gas, the temperature will be different for different molecule. Then thermal energy is carried from a region at higher temperature to a region at lower temperature. Okay, this gives rise to the phenomena of thermal conduction. The energy will be passed through higher energy to lower energy. That is the phenomena of thermal conduction. The thermal conductivity of a gas is due to transport of energy because they will transport the energy to another gas molecules. Then third one is diffusion. What do you mean by diffusion? if the molecular density of the gas is not same throughout the gas, because of gas density varies from all container or otherwise any device, not same throughout the gas. Density will be maximum or minimum. Then molecule diffuse from region of a higher concentration to the region of a lower concentration. The molecule will be travel between maximum density area to minimum density area or concentration. This gives rise to phenomena of diffusion. This is the phenomena of diffusion. Thus, the phenomena of diffusion of a gas is due to transport of mass, because of they were transport to higher density level to lower density level. The phenomena of viscosity, conduction and diffusion in gases are known as transport phenomena. These three things are transported. Which one? Viscosity, second one is conduction, third one is diffusion. This phenomena is known as transport phenomena because they represent respectively the transport of momentum, energy and mass. This is the transport phenomena. They will carry the momentum, energy and mass.